Hi everyone, it's I from imadeitforyou.com. Today I'm going to show you how to make yuzu cheesecake. The first step in making these yuzu cheesecakes is to make the yuzu curd. And you might be wondering, what is yuzu? Yuzu is a Japanese citrus. It's sharp and sour like a lemon, but the smell of it is very distinct. You would never peel and eat it like you do an orange. You can use it for cooking. You can add the peel to pickles or soups to add a citrus note, or you can use it to make marmalade. For my yuzu cheesecakes, I'll be using the yuzu to make yuzu curd, much like lemon curd. To make the yuzu curd, you need unsalted butter, granulated sugar, sea salt, an egg yolks, yuzu juice, and the zest of one yuzu. In a bowl, beat the unsalted butter, sugar, and salt until combined. Stir in an egg and egg yolks one at a time. Once it comes together, add the yuzu juice and the zest. Transfer the bowl onto a double boiler and keep on whisking until the mixture thickens, about 10 minutes. Remove the bowl from the double boiler and pour the yuzu curd into a clean bowl. If you see any clumps, you can use a fine sieve to remove them. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and press the wrap onto the surface of the curd so it doesn't form a film. Put it in the fridge to thicken. You could make the yuzu curd ahead of time. I made mine the night before making the cheesecakes. One question I get asked a lot is whether you can use bottled yuzu juice to make the curd, and the answer is absolutely. I often use bottled juice just because it's cheaper than getting a bunch of fresh yuzu. As long as you use 100% yuzu juice, it'll turn out great. While the curd is chilling in the fridge, make the buttery crust. For the crust, you can use whatever biscuit you like. I like using a buttery biscuit just because it adds extra butteriness and saltiness, but I didn't have any on hand, so I'm using graham crackers. Put the butter biscuits in a Ziploc bag and crush them into fine crumbs. Combine the crumbs with the melted butter and work the butter into the crumbs until combined. You could do this in the Ziploc bag that you were crushing the biscuits in, or you could put it in a bowl. Line a muffin pan with paper liners and press a heaped tablespoon of the crumb mixture into each paper liner. I actually ran out of my cupcake liners, so I'm lining some with strips of parchment paper. Now you're going to make the cheesecake batter. Start by preheating your oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 150 degrees Celsius. Put the cream cheese and sour cream into a bowl and beat until combined. Once there are no lumps, add the sugar, egg, and vanilla extract and continue to mix. I used to use the vanilla extract from Costco, the big bottle, but they've stopped carrying it, so I've started to make my own. I made this one back in September. If you want me to show you how to make your own vanilla extract, leave me a comment and I would love to make a video. Scoop the batter evenly over the crust and bake for about 20 minutes. The centers of the cheesecakes should still be a little wobbly. Let the cheesecakes cool slightly in the pan before moving them to a wire rack to cool completely. Chill the cheesecakes in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. It's better if you leave it in for an hour. The best thing about these cheesecakes is that it's baked in a muffin pan. That means shorter baking time, you don't need a water bath, and it cools down faster, which means you get to eat it faster. I used about 2 teaspoons of the yuzu curd to top the cheesecakes, but you could use as much or as little as you like. The yuzu curd recipe makes enough for exactly 1 batch of cheesecakes. You can garnish them with a candied yuzu peel on top. I'm not even going to pretend like I wasn't eating this before because obviously I was. If you have extra yuzu curd left, don't throw it away. It's really good on toast. You can spread it on cookies. You can make like little cookie sandwiches. So creamy. If you're up for a change from topping your cheesecakes with raspberry sauce or maybe chocolate or caramel, give this one a try. The curd is rich, but it's tart and like really bright and sunny, which really complements the rich cheesecake. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you like, and leave me a comment telling me what your favorite cheesecake flavor is. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.